Hi, welcome to Expert Village. I'm Gretchen Soares with Butterfly Boutique. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and pin the hem in this, and this hem is only going to be a 2-inch roll. So we're going to mark 2 inches. And we have a nice straight line to work with, and we know this because we just cut that nice straight line. So there's our first 2 inches, and we just can go back and fold up on that pin line. And as you put the one pin in, you pull the pin out from under it. Okay, so there's our first 2 inch, but we're going to do a double fold. So what we're actually going to do is go up one more time. So we end up with a nice finished fold line on the top. We have our 2-inch hem pinned in, so we're going to go back to the sewing machine and sew this now.